Why do 90% of people underestimate how fast a sneeze travels? The answer might just blow you away. Yup, you heard that right. A sneeze can zoom out of your nose at a whopping 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most speed limits. Imagine this. You're cruising down the road, windows down, music up, and suddenly you sneeze. Well, that sneeze just broke the speed limit. Now, before you start racing your sneezes, remember this fun fact next time you feel one coming on. Cover your mouth and nose, folks. We don't need airborne particles auditioning for a Fast and Furious sequel. So next time someone sneezes near you, you can impress them with this little nugget of trivia. And maybe, just maybe, you'll win the ultimate sneeze race. Stay sneezy, stay safe, and always cover up.